Hello everyone, we're gonna add to our Wiha Everyday Carry Toolkit now this utility knife to make the version 2.0. This is a new addition from the previous video I made for these three items, which was the screwdriver with a universal socket by Wiha, everything here, the pliers, these ones, and this set with a ratchet, and I add double-ended bit with the centrofix to improve this one to make it more. Well, now we are adding to this previous kit this utility knife. This one also, well, this is a bigger version from 7 to 19. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this because this is kind of big, but this is only the one is made by Wiha. But I found it kind of big for my toolkit, so I'm gonna interchange it for a small version. This is not Wiha, but it's a small version from 5 to 14 millimeters. So instead of carrying this big, just because the Wiha does not have this size, right? I bought this one, but I guess this one it covers more my needs in the case of the everyday carry. If you're a fan of Wiha, well, I'm just gonna interchange by this one instead of this. And well, let's add this new addition, the Wiha folding knife. This one coming in this, the folding knife. Yeah, here's the model. And also, well, this is a folding knife here. It's operated by two hands, it's not one hand operated, you need both. And to fold it again, you need to press here, and then you can fold it. To unfold it, you need the two hands, right? And then locks, and to unlock it you need to press here. This is the way it unlocks. It contains this here, this circle to put your thumb and make more force, yeah, to the cuts. This is a nice addition. Have his pocket clip here, and also incorporates this one. You can keep here until 5 blades, yeah, some spare blades. Yep. So to change this blade, you need to open here, and then you push this one like this, and then you change the blade. So to put back, just press here and make this, and done. By Wiha. So you're a Wiha fan, well, now you have your screwdriver, your pliers, your knife, your ratchet, and some bits here, so you can carry these to get more stuff by Wiha. We just need to incorporate probably the flashlight, but I need to find one by Wiha, which in order to get everything by this brand. But also, if you don't need probably the ratchet and these too many bits, you can also carry this other version, of bits, which has well, this is normal bits. You don't need too many. Well, you can also carry this small version. Well, I have here with this is the flip selector, the standard, which include more different bits here. Yeah. You just flip like this. And also here you can change this is bit holder which is included, but it also you can fit your centrifix. Also, I guess fits here. Sorry, like this. Yeah, it fits well. Your centrifix, if you wanna also handle double-ended bits from your screwdriver, it's not bad. Just these ones are normal. You cannot fit here a double-ended bits, but this is a small version. Just has no ratchet, but you can do something like this. Yeah, no. Just probably the ratchet you can take it like this, maybe. I just also add some rubber here, just to make it look more awesome and get some grip. It might maybe fall apart soon, I don't know, but just put it again. But it's a rubber coat here, which is makes it looks like a good. This is another option. So if you're a Wiha fan, well, there is some ideas about this flip selector standard or your other one that you have here. You can include your ratchet if you want more stuff. And well, the version 2, you can watch the video for the version 1, which is this is the addition that I have. Also, well, for this one, there is this clip here that you can carry your flip standard. You put it in your pocket too. So you don't have like a toolkit bag or something. You can put this in your here. With this clip. This also has a clip. You can carry this too. Put this in your pocket and go to fix some stuff. Okay, well guys, hopefully that gives some ideas for your toolkit. And if you're a Wiha fan, well, you know that now there is this knife that you can add to your toolkit. You have all this. Thank you guys, and see you next time.